Hi friends, welcome to my video today. I am going to be doing 4 crock pot recipes and they are appetizers. I love my crock pot and I love doing appetizers because you can keep everything warm by just leaving this on the warming setting, and it just keeps the appetizers so much better in my opinion. So this is really great for tons of football parties going on right now on Sundays, tons of holiday parties coming up soon. So I really love my crock pot for appetizers. So I'm gonna share these with you. This video is so exciting. I am co-hosting this video with my good friend Melissa at I'm Merely Melissa, and we have a really awesome collaboration with a lot of our friends, our YouTube friends. So there's gonna be a playlist in the description box, so make sure you check that out, of everyone's crock pot recipes. I just love using my crock pot in the fall, and it is just one of my go-to little kitchen appliances. So for these appetizers that I'm gonna make, I'm going to do a spinach artichoke dip. I'm going to do a corn crack dip. Oh my God, it's so good. I'm going to do barbecue meatballs, and I'm going to do this dip that I do with chili and cream cheese that is a huge hit every time I make it and take it somewhere. So I'm gonna make these 4 appetizers. I'll show you how I make them. Make sure you check out that playlist in the description box and Melissa's channel as well. I cannot wait to see everybody's recipes. So I'm gonna get these all made up and show you how I make them. The first dip I'm going to do is called a corn crack dip, and it is really delicious and addicting. So it is going to be cream cheese, of course, because cream cheese is so good in crock pot dips. There's going to be sour cream, which you can also always substitute sour cream for plain Greek yogurt if you'd like. I think they're very similar. And it's going to be corn, diced chilies, and it's going to be so good. And it's really good served with Fritos chips. So I'm using half the container of an 8-ounce container of sour cream. So you'd want about 4 ounces of sour cream or plain Greek yogurt. I'm using 1 cup of Colby Jack cheese, which I think is really good with this dip. You can use regular cheddar cheese if you'd like as well. So I'm gonna cook this on high until it's all warm and all of the cream cheese is melted. So my setting has 4 hours, but it's not gonna take that long. So it's all nice and cooked, and I'm gonna mix it all together. And I love crockpot dips because you can just leave it on the warm setting and keep the dip warm until it's all gone, which this dip does not last long. So I'm going to be doing a spinach artichoke dip for this one, and it's so easy. I just have frozen chopped spinach, and I'm just going to put it in my crock pot just straight out of the bag. You can use fresh spinach also, but so easy to use frozen chopped spinach. I have my cream cheese, of course, and there's going to be Parmesan cheese as well, and some mozzarella cheese and some garlic. So I'm going to add in all the ingredients, and then I have artichoke hearts, which I will drain and then chop them up before I put them into the crock pot. So I'm using plain Greek yogurt, but you can use sour cream as well. And I'm using 1 cup. So I have my artichoke hearts. I'm going to drain them, and then I'm going to cut them up nice and small because they're full artichoke hearts right there. So it's really hot. You can see all the steam coming out when I lifted the lid. I'm just mixing it all together, and it is so yummy. So you can serve this with pita chips or tortilla chips or sourdough, like bread chunks. Really, really good. So this is one of my favorites. This is chili with no beans and cream cheese. It is the easiest dip ever. Just those 2 ingredients, and you can make 1 serving or 2, so I'm doubling it for this one. But so I'm doing 2 cream cheeses and 2 cans of chili, and it's really good with the no bean added chili. But this is such an awesome dip, really good with tortilla chips. Now that it's all cooked, I'm gonna mix it all up, mix all that cream cheese in with the chili, and it is delicious and so easy. The next easiest crockpot appetizer ever is meatballs and barbecue sauce. They're so good, so addicting. So I'm just gonna add in my frozen meatballs, and this is our favorite barbecue sauce, Sweet Baby Ray's. And you just cook it for a little bit in the crock pot, and you keep it warm until they're all gone, which I absolutely love that in crock pots. And these are so quick and easy and so simple. All right, they are cooked all the way through, and so they are ready to go. I hope you all enjoyed these crockpot appetizer recipes and hope you give them a try. They are all so delicious. Don't forget to check out the playlist in the description box. And also, if you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I have tons of recipes, and I have been using my crock pot a lot lately. So stay tuned for lots of crock pot recipes. And make sure you check out my meal prepping recipes on the weekends as well. I hope that you have a really great rest of your day today. Leave me a comment if you have any questions or just to say hi. I love hearing from you. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.